Welcome to Brooklyn College Cancer Center. This is a place where researchers, students, and community members interact with one another with the idea to improve the lives of cancer patients and their families, especially in Brooklyn. Our center has a three-pronged approach and is based on research, education, and community outreach and engagement.
I think the beauty of the Brooklyn College Cancer Center is that it can bring together researchers, clinicians from biology, chemistry, health and nutrition, psychology, and computer science.
BCCC-CURE investigators are working in the areas of cancer biology, drug development and delivery, and patient-facing research. We are funded by the National Institutes of Health, National Science Foundation, American Cancer Society, the Gray Foundation, and several other private agencies. We collaborate with prestigious institutions in New York City, the US, and abroad.
Those connections are hard to foster as an individual researcher, but having the center really allows us to have multiple people who are focusing on cancer at the same time, and therefore our networks are enlarged significantly.
Any lab or any scientist that keeps their science to themselves is not on the right path for finding a cure.
We're leading a team of doctoral students, of master's students, of undergraduate students. We're working with collaborators here at Brooklyn College, throughout CUNY, throughout the state, the nation, and internationally.
We could all come together at one point with one solution from different approach.
The educational component of our job is as important as the scientific contribution that we can make in the cancer fields.
The students who have participated in the programs have gotten a lot out of it.
I was able to go to a conference. On top of that, I was able to get a summer internship as well. And if it wasn't for the Cancer Center at Brooklyn College, I would not have been able to get that.
And this gives the students the highest educational experience that one can have. A true, authentic research experience, working in an actual laboratory performing cancer research.
I have had the opportunity to be able to do my research fully funded over the summers.
We have a very diverse student population at Brooklyn College who often work to support their financial needs. Having a fully funded research internship is an incredible opportunity so students can fully focus on research and learning.
They can go home to their families, they can spread information, they can come back and report on what they're learning. They can encourage their family members and friends to get tested or get screened or get checked, which I think is so essential to our community.
You probably know a person or a family member who is affected by cancer, and it's everywhere.
I am a two-time cancer survivor. I've gone through the process and I know what I needed at different points in time. I don't want anybody to navigate that process without everything they need.
And so the center does make a lot of resources very visible from our partner institutions and organizations and hospitals.
This has allowed us to feel that we have an impact in the community that we so much want to help.
And given the student population that Brooklyn College has and the diversity of our students, this allows us to prime the pump in terms of diversifying the biomedical workforce of the future.
And grow the next generation of scientists who hopefully one day they'll cure cancer.
Just take a second, stop by to further understand what the Cancer Center is offering.